Hi, my name is Pony Chang. I'm the director of the Integrative Acupuncture program at York University in Toronto, Canada. I'm very excited to be able to bring my intensive training to Oakland, California in July 2019. In this program, you will learn how to plug channels according to Ling Shu Chapter 75. You will learn how to palpate nerves, how to use electrical modulation to stimulate nerve trunks so that you can activate multiple muscles with a single needle. You'll learn how to strengthen weak muscles with electrical acupuncture. You'll learn how to re-educate and re-coordinate the firing sequence of multiple muscles in a kinetic chain. How is this all possible? This is made possible by detailed appreciation of the unique neuroanatomy of each acupuncture point. That is the area of my expertise. I have systematically annotated the unique neuroanatomical target of all the acupuncture points, including extra points. And I've done so using 4 lines of evidence by comparing primary source surgical papers, by looking at the channels theory described in the traditional Chinese medical classics in classical Chinese, by doing dissections myself, and by finally with electrical stimulation of acupuncture points. We have been able to characterize with very high degree of specificity the unique targets that are being stimulated when you perform acupuncture at each acupuncture point. One of the criticisms that is facing the acupuncture research community is that research papers oftentimes are not reproducible. And the reason for this, in my humble opinion, is that we have not taken the trouble to standardize the targets that we are stimulating with an acupuncture needle. So different papers might be talking about the same point, but if they're not stimulating the same structures, then it becomes impossible to reproduce those results, and certainly becomes impossible to compare the findings of these research papers. One of the most important things you're going to learn from this program is how to achieve the unique Deqi sensation associated with each acupuncture point, so that you can confirm whether you have properly done your job correctly to stimulate these points to their highest potential. You will also learn over 15 reproducible protocols of how to treat common orthopedic problems that we see in the clinic every day. Problems such as lateral epicondylitis, such as plantar fasciitis. I look forward to sharing with you my research and my clinical experience, and hope to see you soon in Oakland.